Guys, welcome to Nick Fix. Today I'm going to show you how to check your tire with a penny on a Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. These are the grippers, G2s. These are damaged. Fortunately, you can see the rotting. See the rot right there? That's all drywall rotted. They have to be replaced. There's no tread left on the tire, but no snow grip. Nothing left. Unfortunately, this is going to be replaced, and I'll show you how to check it with the penny. So you put it right here. As you can see, I can see Lincoln's head. You can see Lincoln's head. The tire is completely shot and gone. This is no good for snow, rain, anything now. And also you go inside, you can see Lincoln's head. And if you go more deeper, you can see Lincoln's head more. So this tire is completely shot. I'm replacing it with the same tire. These tires are awesome. They're great tires. As you can see, I got the original rim on it. These are the G2s. These tires are awesome. As you can see, they are 265 60R18s. These tires are great for all weather purposes. I'll show you a bad one. I'll show you a good one looks like right now. So you see how much drywall I got. I got this going all the way down here. This is starting to drywall too. So this tire is gone. When they get like this, that means they're gone. They're finished. But I'm going to change this and get a new one. Now I'm going to show you what a new one looks like. So this is a brand new tire I just bought today. This is what it's supposed to look like. See, as you can see, you can't see Lincoln's head. Right here, see? This is how it's supposed to look like. No Lincoln's head showing. Nothing showing from Lincoln's head. That's how a good tire looks like on this truck. This is the same thing, G2. Unfortunately, they discontinued this tire. This is a G3 now. I don't think there's a difference between the G3 and the G2. But we'll see. I'm getting a G3 for the other side next. Again, if you have bad tires, just put the two good tires in the rear, because this is the most traction on the truck. This handles the most traction when you're driving in rain, snow, anything. The front handles the braking and the steering only. This handles the traction of the vehicle. So if you need to replace the tires and your fronts are bad, put the bad tire in the front and the good tire in the right. That's what I'm about to do here. I'm going to take my bad tire that's in my front and put it into my bad tire that's in the back and put it into the front, and put my good tire in the rear, so I have more traction on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Hope it helped, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think about the video. Also, the brake video is coming. I'm working on it right now. It's going to teach you how to take out your brakes from your Jeep Grand Cherokee, from the pin, the clip. Everything's going to be shown. I'm using thread locker, anti-seize, and silicone paste on it. So that video will be up tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great weekend.